Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you two rather strange terms that you'll see in crochet patterns, BLO and FLO. Well, simply they mean back of loop, front of loop. And today I'm going to show you using a half double crochet stitch exactly what that means. So first of all, let's have a look at the front of loop, the FLO stitch. Now when you look at a stitch, the top of the stitch here, which we normally go into, is composed of these two strands in this V shape. And normally we will insert the hook between under both of them like that, before we do yarn over and pull through, or whatever the rest of the stitch means. On occasions, you'll see FLO on the pattern. So it simply means that you're going to insert your hook into the front loop. Now, if I turn it towards me, you can see that the hook is going through just one strand before I complete the rest of my stitch. Now it creates a slightly more open stitch because we're only capturing one strand. It also creates a different look. Let's do another one here. Just using my favourite half double crochet to demonstrate. So we can see here that it's just slightly more open. Now lower down in this sample, these rows are back of loop and these rows are front of loop, and these rows are normal half double crochet. You can also see it pulls in the work slightly, only a touch. So front of loop, we're going in here, capture one front loop, one strand, yarn over, pull through. I'll finish this row and then we'll go on to look at the back of loop. Yarn over, pick up just one. You might have to turn your work towards you slightly to make sure you're only capturing that front loop. Nearly at the end here. To chain two and turn. Let's have a look at the back. There we go. So it gives you a slightly different finish. It's not markedly different, but that's how that is undertaken. Now here you can see the top of the stitch here. So on this row, I'm going to show you how to do back of loop. Back of loop, you're simply picking up this back strand here. So definitely turn your work towards you. Slightly tricky. So this is the BLO. This gives you a line across the front of your work, or the back of your work in this case. So this is how to do the back of loop, tilting your work towards you as you insert your hook, making sure that you're only picking up just one strand. So it can use slightly less yarn, it can make a slightly more open stitch, so work up slightly quicker because it's less dense. and sometimes you need it to create a ridge at the bottom of, say, a bag, or if you're turning ribbing, creating the bottom of a baby bootie or something like that. So there we have how to do a front of loop and back of loop. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe and press the bell, and I look forward to speaking to you again very soon. Have a great day. Bye.